In this video, I will show you how to insert text box in Microsoft Excel. So click on Insert and here the option Text. Then here you can select word art or you can select text box. Just click on it. Now draw your text box anywhere and type your text here. You can customize size and color. Adjust the size and you can drag and drop anywhere. Want to hide this outline, so double click on it or click on shape format, text outline, so select no outline. Double click on this text box or right click on it and click on format shape line, so select no outline and click anywhere. Want to hide this background color, double click on it or click on shape format and shape fill, so select no fill and click anywhere. So thanks for watching.